Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for CV making on your mobile device. First, download the free Canva app from your phone's app store. Once installed, either log into your existing account or quickly create a new one. Then, use the search bar at the top of the screen to find CV or Resume templates. Canva offers thousands of professional designs to get you started quickly and easily. After searching, you'll see a wide array of CV templates. Take your time to browse through different styles and layouts to find one that suits your professional field. Once you've chosen, simply tap on the template to open it in the editor. You can then easily customize every element, from changing text and fonts to adjusting colors and even adding your own photo. Now it's time to input your personal and professional information. Tap on any text box to edit sections such as your contact details, work experience, education, and skills. If you need to add more sections, simply tap the plus icon to insert new text boxes or elements. Double-check all your entries to ensure accuracy and completeness before moving on. Once your CV is perfect, it's time to save and share it. Tap the download icon, usually found at the top right, and select PDF as the file type for a professional finish. You can then easily share your new CV directly via email, messaging apps, or even upload it to job portals. Canva makes it simple to create a polished CV right from your phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.